Mule deer are among Nevada's most watchable wildlife, oftentimes because they are right in our backyards. Although they can be frustrating, mule deer are here to stay and deserve our respect. Mule deer have one physiological goal in mind: to build up enough fat to survive the winter. From spring through autumn, deer feed constantly to gain as much fat as possible. The fat reserves and their ability to conserve energy at the proper time allows them to make it through the winter. This means deer are well adapted to their environment and do not need human foods to survive. Feeding deer can be harmful as deer often cannot digest the high caloric foods we provide them with. This can be potentially lethal. Feeding deer is not only detrimental to their health, but is also illegal and may result in a fine of up to $500. Additionally, deer that are enticed to stay with food may not migrate as they should and are at a much higher risk of being hit by a vehicle. To prevent unintentionally feeding deer, wrap highly susceptible plants in burlap or wire. Consider planting flowers that deer are known to avoid, and instead of using ornamental plants, use native plants that can withstand browsing by deer. To be safe around deer, always keep your distance. Do not allow your dogs to chase or harass them. Deer can be aggressive, especially a male during the fall breeding season or a female protecting her fawn. If you see a fawn, leave it alone. The mother is likely close by. Be sure to slow down when driving and pay attention to wildlife crossing signs. Be especially cautious at dawn and dusk, as this is when the deer are most likely to be seen. Overall, learn to coexist. Deer are here to stay.